Well, good morning. It is Wednesday, July 22nd, 2020. I am Jamie Miller, owner and attorney at J. Miller Law Firm. Today's video topic is on alternative dispute resolution. Don't turn the video off quite yet. It might be more interesting than you think. And the reason for today's topic is, over the last few months, I've had a number of clients and potential clients express an increased interest in resolving a case or a potential case through alternative dispute resolution. And when I say alternative dispute resolution, I'm talking about resolving a case outside of filing a lawsuit or outside of the traditional court system. And I think there's lots of reasons that people are considering that more now than ever, maybe. Obviously, over the last few months, most, if not all, businesses have been impacted in one way or another by the coronavirus. You might also have been impacted personally. There's been a lot of uncertainty, probably an increased strain on finances, and certainly a level of anxiety that we have not seen in other times. So the prospect of going to court with the uncertainties, the expense, the time is less appealing than probably ever before. So when I'm going to talk about different options for resolving a dispute, obviously when I'm acting in the attorney role, I'm your advocate for my client and trying to defend your best interest. When I'm serving as a mediator, I'm a neutral third party, helping two or more parties resolve a dispute and come up with different solutions and different options that might resolve the issue at hand. Mediators do not make the decisions. The parties make the decisions. Mediator's role is to think how the parties can best communicate different options, brainstorm solutions, and oftentimes a mediator can say the same thing that a party could say, but say when it comes from someone who's not involved, who doesn't have that history, it comes across differently. And also there might be different options that the parties haven't considered. Then if you come to a resolution, oftentimes the agreement can be put in writing and filed with the court and made binding. The other interesting thing about mediation that people often like is, since the mediator is not making the decision, the parties are, you have more control over it, rather than having a mediator or a judge or an arbitrator make decisions for you. You're ultimately coming up with the decision yourself, which can be appealing in these times where we feel a lot of loss of control often. Another option for alternative dispute resolution is arbitration, and I have done that as well, primarily for business owners and consumers who have a dispute. In arbitration, one or sometimes three arbitrators will hear the case, will review the evidence, it's much like a judge, and will render a written decision. So sometimes it can be faster than litigation, sometimes not. Same with the expenses of it. So if you're a business owner and you're thinking about putting one of these options in your contracts, I strongly encourage you to do that, but you really need to think through how you want to do that and what that would entail. So these are just some options for you to consider in a variety of situations, whether it's family, probate, elder law, business, employment. There's lots of ways to resolve a dispute. As a mediator, I work privately. I also do mediation for the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. If you'd like to discuss options or alternative dispute resolution in general, 918-938-1322. Thanks and have a great day.